to you. It is a high-stakes day here on Capitol Hill. President Trump will meet with House Republicans aiming to ramp up support for that new health care bill. Meanwhile, overnight, GOP leaders offered amendments to the bill to try to win over holdouts. Among the changes, calling for repealing Obamacare-era taxes sooner than expected and giving states more latitude in how they administer Medicaid. But with the clock ticking, it's still not clear they have enough votes.
This is our long-awaited chance to finally get rid of Obamacare.
Call it a late-night sales pitch. President Trump's full-court press ahead of a crucial health care vote Thursday. Mr. Trump digging into Obamacare again.
It's been one broken promise after another.
And again.
Obamacare has been a complete and total catastrophe, and it's getting worse and worse by the day.
This is the first high-stakes legislative test of the young Trump administration and of the unlikely alliance between Mr. Trump and House Speaker Paul Ryan.
I'm really impressed with the president himself, rolling up his sleeves, getting involved, listening to members, brokering compromises, getting us on the same page.
President Trump saying Obamacare is failing in Kentucky, but the rate of uninsured dropped there by 13 percentage points between 2013 and 2015. Still, for Kentucky residents, it's more complicated. What is your key priority for a new health care bill?
Deductibles. I want them more affordable.
So you're not sure all of Obamacare should be repeal and replace?
Exactly.
A GOP official tells NBC News changes have been made to the bill to win over skeptical conservatives and libertarians. Also today, Judge Neil Gorsuch, President Trump's Supreme Court pick, is back in the hot seat. During his Senate confirmation opening statement Monday, Judge Gorsuch trying to paint himself as above the political fray.
These days, we sometimes hear judges cynically described as politicians in robes, seeking to enforce their own politics rather than striving to apply the law impartially. But if I thought that were true, I'd hang up the robe.
Today, look for Democratic senators to attempt to force Gorsuch to publicly weigh in as they grill him about President Trump's attacks on the judiciary.
His demeaning and disparaging comments about the judiciary have shaken the foundations of respect for judicial rulings.
While Republicans will try to highlight his conservative record.
No one could have chosen better than Neil Gorsuch to represent conservatism on the Supreme Court.
As for that health care fight, one GOP official tells me House Speaker Paul Ryan expects the president today to show that he not only supports the new health care bill, but that he will be willing to fight for it. That all-important vote on Thursday falls on the 7th anniversary of when President Obama signed his signature health care plan into law. Matt, Savannah.
Kristen Welker on Capitol Hill. Kristen, thanks.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.